Hi, my name is Ethan. How you doing? I'm reading Peter Cat World Tour by James Dunn. Here's the picture of it. And the Peter Cat World Tour. Pete and his bandmates are going on a world tour. The first stop is Mexico. Pete is very hungry before the concert. What should I eat? He wonders. How about some tacos? Suggests Gus. Pete tries a taco filled with fish, salsa, and lettuce. Tingy said. And delicious. Gus eats one filled with nabis. That is kind of like a cactus. Next, the band performance is on a mountain pool. The view is awesome, said Pete, but it's chilly up here. Would you like a hot of Pullman hot chocolate? Asked Fan. I would love some, said Pete. Everyone tried the hot chocolate and it warms up them. It was awesome. When the band arrives in Iceland, everyone is tried that a long flight, Pete said. We need to relax. Take a dip in the blue launch. Just asked Puss. It's cold outside and not in legend. The water is very smooth. Just right. I needed it, Pete said. Now the band will be ready to rock out tomorrow. The next stop is in London. The band jumps on a ready-to bus and it's supposed to cool city. They can see the Big Ben. Look at that time. We got to the next stop. There are some stickers here, that's why you cannot see the other page. Here's that page, and I will flip it to this page. Just a picture again. Now we will have folds on our pages. Next, the band performance is in a cool logo single on the Great Wall of China. I'm afraid they eat the dumplings with chopsticks. In India, the band performance. Okay, sorry, I showed you this page. In India, the band performance in front of the palace. They jammed for hours in the hot sun. I could use a refresh, said Pete. We takes a sip of the cold mango. Yummy. And this is India. Pete and his friends are going to Tanzania, Egypt. They walk out in front of the Great Pyramid. Do you think my drums will wake up? The mummies asked us. The band walks out Fountain Falls. It's a waterfall between Zimbabwe and Zimbabwe. We are in two countries at the exact same time, said Groovy, said Peter. This is Egypt, I think I showed you. Then this is for the last stop on the Tuolo Island in Thebe. Let's make this one count, said Pete. Swim from its on the beach all day. The crowd goes wild. That was a lazy show, said Pete. I can't wait to come back. The worldwide tour is over and it's time to go home. There's no real place like home, said Pete. But the world is full of groovy things. I can't wait to see all of them. Done. Then after that, there's more Pete and Cat books on here. And bye, I'll see you tomorrow.